Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Today, our episode has 3 different ears. Our first patient has wax in both ears that's fairly similar. Our second patient only had wax in one ear. Now that brings up one of the most common questions that we get in the office. Why is one ear so waxy and the other one completely clear? Unfortunately, I don't have a great answer for that, but it is very common. As we remove this wax from the patient's ear, we're going to get a nice view of their eardrum. If you enjoy these earwax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help us out, letting us know that we're bringing you content that you find entertaining and educational. Alright, we're going to use the curette or the Jobson horn to remove this earwax, giving us another clear view of the eardrum, making sure that the ear canal and eardrum are healthy in appearance. And there we are. Our next patient has one ear that's impacted. This one ear is impacted with skin and wax. We're going to use the forceps to help to remove this wax. Now, you can see how it breaks apart there. That's because it's actually attached to the ear canal wall. So as we use the forceps to kind of grab onto this skin and wax, we're going to wiggle it a little bit, causing it to release from the ear canal wall, allowing us to get it out in some chunks and give us a clear view of the eardrum. Almost. Here we go with those forceps once again. And there it comes. Okay, so let's see. There's still a little bit left. This patient has a very big second bend in their ear canal. Now that we've got that wax out, here's a nice view of the eardrum. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.